Updating your billing information on Venmo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment methods are current. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines with the profile icon in the upper left corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, look for the Payment Methods option. This section allows you to view and manage your linked bank accounts and cards. Step 4. Update billing information. Choose the payment method you want to update. You can either edit the existing information or add a new payment method by selecting Add Bank or Card. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new billing information or making edits, be sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Done button to confirm your updates. Once you have completed these steps, your billing information on Venmo will be updated. Regularly check your payment methods to ensure they remain accurate.